Hi everyone and welcome. In this video we will see installation guide of NanoMQ MQTT broker in the Raspberry Pi. So my Raspberry Pi is up and running. We will connect with our Raspberry Pi using SSH, and then after we will follow this command to install the NanoMQ broker in the Raspberry Pi. Okay, so let's connect with our Raspberry Pi using SSH. So SSH parrot @192.168.1.10. It will ask for the password, so we have to provide the password, and we are connected with our Raspberry Pi. Now we want to install the NanoMQ MQTT broker in the Raspberry Pi. So first of all, we have to download the Debian package. So I'm going to copy this command and we will paste that command here to download the Debian package. Okay, and here you can see the Debian package is downloaded. And here we can see nanomq -something.debian. Okay, now we have to install this Debian package in the Raspberry Pi. So for that you can use this command sudo tpkgi and then the package name. So I'm going to copy this and we will paste that here, and then we will hit enter. Okay, so NanoMQ MQTT broker is successfully installed in the Raspberry Pi. Now I'm going to open the MQTT Explorer software to connect with that NanoMQ broker. Okay, so I'm going to add one more connection, which is NanoMQ, and in the host name I'm going to provide the IP address of my Raspberry Pi, which is 192.168.1.10. okay, so 192.168.1.10, and the port number is 1883. We haven't configured any password for the NanoMQ broker or neither any certificate, so we will try to connect with our NanoMQ broker. Okay, but you can see disconnected from the server, or we can say we are not able to connect with the NanoMQ broker because we haven't started the services or we haven't started the NanoMQ broker. So for that you can use this command sudo nanomq start, and it will start the NanoMQ broker. Okay, you can see NanoMQ broker is started successfully, and here you can see we are connected. Let me disconnect and let me connect again. So we are successfully connected. Also I can open another MQTT Explorer. Okay, and I can create one more connection, which is NanoMQ. Okay, in the host I'll provide the same IP address 192.168.1.10, and I will connect. So we have created two MQTT client which will connect to the same MQTT broker, and here we are going to publish the test data, okay, on the test topic. So let me publish, and here we can see we have received the test topic with value, and also we can update the values from here like 66 and then publish. Okay, so this is how you can install NanoMQ, the lightweight MQTT broker, in the Raspberry Pi using just two command. Okay, so here is the two command you can copy, and you can try installing NanoMQ broker in the Raspberry Pi, and this is the command to start the NanoMQ broker in the Raspberry Pi. Okay, and here you can see the Raspberry Pi is running with the NanoMQ broker. So I hope this thing is clear, that how to install the NanoMQ broker in the Raspberry Pi. So we will meet you in the future videos. Okay, till then, take care, goodbye, and thank you.